Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to flatten layers in Affinity Designer. This is a great technique when you want to simplify your project by merging multiple layers into one, making it easier to manage your design and reduce file complexity. Let's get started. First things first, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you'll need to work with a file, so go ahead and open your existing file or create a new one. With your file ready to go, we can move on to the actual flattening process. Now look over to the right panel where you'll find the Layers section. This is where all your individual layers are displayed and organized. Click on the first layer you want to flatten, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and continue clicking on the other layers you wish to include. This selection method allows you to choose multiple layers at once, which is exactly what we need for flattening. Alternatively, if you prefer working with objects rather than layers, there's another way to select everything you want to flatten. Click on the Move tool in the left sidebar, then highlight all the objects you want to flatten. This approach gives you more visual control over what you're selecting directly on the canvas. Once you've made your selection using either method, head back to the right panel. Right-click on any of the selected layers, and from the menu that appears, select Group. This step combines all your chosen layers into a single group, which is essential for the flattening process. Grouping them first ensures they're all treated as one unit in the next step. Now comes the final part. Right-click on the group you just created, and from the options that pop up, select Rasterize and Trim. This action converts your grouped layers into a single flattened raster layer, effectively merging everything together. The trim part removes any unnecessary transparent space around your design, keeping things clean and compact. And that's it. You've successfully flattened your layers in Affinity Designer. This process helps streamline your workflow and makes your file easier to work with, especially when dealing with complex designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.